guys, back in the video. I'd like to say a big shout out to all my fans and a big shout out to all my haters, yeah, because you're all still supporting me even if you're hating or if you're a fan. And yeah, basically before we get into the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I post. And please keep sharing because I want subscribers, so yeah, please share. And yeah, but basically basically for today's video I'm gonna show you 3 different ways you can tie your bandanas, like, so you can style it differently. And yeah, let's get right into it. So firstly guys, what you're gonna do is, right, so you got your bandana, yeah, what you're gonna wanna do is fold the corner down like that, yeah, and then basically you're just gonna flick it on your head top like that, put it there, yeah, like this. Get these 2 bits on the side, and you're gonna want it. There's a bit at the back, pull that down, like this bit, pull it down while you're holding the other 2 bits, and then tie that shit, yeah, and then adjust it, yeah, and then pull this down, and bang, there you go, you got your bandana. And it looks like a dewey because it looks like a do-rag because you got that bit there. So yeah, that's the first one. The second way, what you're gonna wanna do is fold it in half so it's a triangle like that, yeah, and then fold it in half so it's like a triangle, yeah, and then you're gonna wanna like fold it. It's hard to show you that, but fold it, keep folding it, and so all the way so it's like that, and then yeah, you just put it on your forehead and tie it like that, bang, and then yeah, and then the final way you're gonna wanna style your bandana is basically like this, but all you wanna do is tie it so it's like so yeah, I don't know if you can see, so it's like that, but yeah, basically that's 3 ways to style a bandana if you like wearing them. But yeah, right guys, that'll be the end of that video, and yeah, basically I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and also hit the bell notification icon next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I post. And yeah, just share the video out so like people see and people subscribe, and yeah, that's about it, and I'll catch you in the next one.